It's the end of October 2025, so how many new criminal cases have commenced at Maitland Local Court since the beginning of 2025? According to the court list, there have been about 2,500 new cases. Of course, the court is still dealing with cases from previous years that are still going through the motions here. I'm just looking at the new cases from 2025. So how many of these 2,500 cases can we find public information on? Meaning a police media release or newspaper or TV story. I can find 34 out of the 2,500 cases. We have heard about 3 new cases in October. That was the domestic violence, car accident and assault occasioning grievous bodily harm case. Yes, it had all of those different types of offending in one case. And we heard about the 2 co-accused of stealing copper at East Maitland. By the way, the alleged thieves haven't appeared here at Maitland Local Court yet. They've only been in the bail court so far. However, we heard about the case and they are officially on the court list here at Maitland. So only 34 so far this year. I'm not sure why we hear about so few. And as for the cases we do hear about, I'm not sure why we hear about those ones and not others. We know just by looking at the court list that domestic and personal violence makes up about 30 to 40% of the cases. However, only 7 of the 34 cases I can find with public information are about domestic or personal violence. That's about 20% of the cases with public information. We hear more about stealing type cases than violent type cases, and police pursuits have a similar percentage as violent cases. Is there a reason these cases are more important for us to be informed about? Or is there no reason and it's just a random selection of cases from Maitland Local Court?